Magandang hapon po ng September 9, 2023 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 9, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 9, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, September 9, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for September 9, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 9, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.